Good morning. So, as I told you the last time, on next Thursday, we will be learning about forces. So, here I am again. We will be now talking about forces. Okay, so this is your new topic for this term, and it's one of the very interesting thing, and it will allow you to go out and experiment a lot. Okay, now unfortunately we are not in the school, so we won't be able to explore as many things as we could together, but I'm going to tell you what you can do at home and you can try all of that. Okay, so do not miss out. Try everything that I ask you to do and everything that comes to your mind. If you find out something better to do about forces, you can. Now, as I'm talking about forces, what is this forces? Okay, now parents, this is for you. It is a difficult concept for children to understand at this age, so we are going to make it simple just by asking them that forces is what makes things move, and we're going to describe them with the terms push and pull. Okay, so now here we start. Okay, so I have a few things right here. I have a car, just two things actually. I have a ball and I have a phone charger. Okay, and let me try with this. I have a lily tulip here, a wooden tulip. Okay, we'll use the tulip later on. So now, what should I do that will make this car move? What do you think I should do to make this car move? So now I want this car to move from here and reach here, the adapter. It should reach the adapter of the charger. So what should I do to move it from here to here? Now, many of you would say that, ma'am, why don't you just move it forward? Now, how am I moving it forward? What is happening? I'm applying a force. So the force is something that makes things move. Okay? Anything that is moving around us, okay, is using force. Anything. So this car is moving forward by using a force, that I am using a force on this car and it is moving. See? So what type of force am I using? Am I pushing it? Am I pushing it or am I pulling it? So what type of force is being used? The push or the pull? What force is being used? So I am pushing it. What am I doing? I'm pushing it. So as I push it, it will move and it will reach the adapter like this. Okay, it will reach the adapter like this. Okay, then I have this ball here. So usually with round objects, what happens is they sometimes you put a force into them and then they keep moving for a little bit. Yes, so it usually happens with the round object. So now I have this ball. What will happen to the ball if I push it upwards? What will happen if I will push it upwards? What will happen to the ball? It will come down again. So first I pushed it. It used a force that I pushed it where? I pushed it upwards. But did it keep going upwards? No, it did not keep going upwards. It came back down. And everything comes back down, like even when we jump upwards, we come back down. So what makes us come down? That is also a force. And the name of that force is gravity. Remember gravity? We learned a lot about gravity during our solar system theme. So I'm pushing it upwards, but something is pulling it down. इसको मैंने ऊपर फेंका, but there was some force that pulled this down. What is that force? That force is called gravity. Okay, So the force that pulls anything down, so we know that anything that I will throw up will not just keep going up, it will come down. It will come down, everything. So that force is called gravity that pulls us to the center of the earth. Okay, so the three words actually that you need to remember is push is the first force, which pushes like this, right? Where in which the things go forward, like push. When you push things against yourself, okay? And then is pull. Pull. Yes? And then there is one thing, gravity. Okay, gravity that can pull anything down to the earth. Okay, this is why the things do not keep going up, they come down, and that is what gravity is doing to it. Okay, so even the cars, bikes, they use the accelerator to go forward. We don't have to literally push them, but the engine does its work. And now I'm going to show you something and you tell me what force am I using. So this is a charger. Okay, this is a charger pin, and now I want to charge my phone on which I'm recording right now. Okay, so I want to charge my phone, so I have to put the charging pin in my phone, right? So what should I do? Which force will I use to put the pin in the charger? Put the charger pin in my phone so that my phone gets recharged. Yes, so am I going to pull it or push it? Now, when I say push, it does not mean that you apply a lot of strength. It does not mean that you have to push it. No, it can be just simple this. Push. Okay, so when we put the charger pin in the phone, this is what we do, that's it. But what force is being applied? Push. Okay, now imagine you're out for shopping. Okay, you have gone somewhere to a mall to shop, and now when you go to a mall, you take a shopping cart, right, in which you put everything. Okay, when you're buying groceries or your clothes or anything, because you cannot keep everything, cannot hold everything at once, so you need to have a shopping cart. And now with the shopping cart, what do? Which force do you apply to shopping cart to move forward? So okay, imagine you have put everything in the shopping cart. Now I'm holding the shopping cart's handle. Which force am I applying to go forward? I am pushing the shopping cart, and pushing is actually a force that we tell you many times, we tell you not to use with the people. So if you push somebody, they will fall. So this is what you do. Sometimes you use your hands to push somebody. Sometimes you just stand and push that person with your body. That's the force which we do not use with the people to hurt them. Okay. Then now okay, you all remember the superworm story? So there was a superworm lasso. Yes. So imagine there is a lasso on your monkey bar, and now you have to climb up. So to climb up on that lasso, you have to pull yourself up. You will pull your body up. Remember the pull-ups I told you about? So you hold the plank, the rod like this, or the bar, and then you pull your body up. So that's why it's called pull-up. You pull your weight up, because the gravity is going to automatically pull you down. It pulls you down. Okay. Okay. So imagine this is you and you're jumping. So when you jumped up, what happened? You pushed your body. Where did you push your body? You pushed your body upwards. But you did not, again, okay, I'm repeating the same thing, but listen very carefully. Did not keep going up, you came down. So you were not pushed down. ऊपर से किसी ने धक्का नहीं दिया आपको. But नीचे, on the earth, there is something called gravity that will pull you down. If you try to go up, it will pull you down. It will pull you down. Okay? So 3 words for today: gravity, push, and pull. Okay? Now this is the sheet that I want you all to finish. I'm going to click a picture of this sheet and I want you to take a photo stat of this and then stick this, complete it and stick it in your science notebook. Okay, with the topic forces. So different forces, write push or pull in the box under each picture. Now this boy has a ball and he's pushing, and what is he doing to the ball? Is he pulling it down? He is pushing it down. So we will write push. See, I told you about the shopping cart. Again, which force is being used? Push or pull? Push or pull? She is pushing. Looks like a she. I don't know. Now this girl, seems like a girl. She jumped. So what did she do to her body? Did she pull her body? Did she push her body upwards? So, push. Now, he has a nice caterpillar and he is doing something to the caterpillar using a thread, a string. So what is the child doing to the caterpillar? He is pulling. देखो खींच रहा है वो, right? And now again something like a lasso is here. Yes, in older times we used to have lights like this, or the flush in the toilet where you would just push it down or pull it down. Pull down. Okay, so this is pull. We still have fans like that, where you have to just pull down the string and it moves this direction or does something. And now it looks like a little monkey bar. Now this boy, okay, arrow says he's going down. So he is pushing himself down, or is he being pulled down? उसने खुद को नीचे push किया है या उसको gravity ने pull किया है? Now this is something that you should write on your own, and let me see how and what will you write. Okay, so I'm going to click a picture of this and I'm going to send you this, and you have to print it out. You have to photocopy it and then stick it in the notebook. Okay, this is something which is very important for everybody. Nobody should skip this. All right.